I'm fine.
You know what? Tomorrow we are going to picnic.
That's great. Where are you going?
Colorland.
Wow, enjoy your day.
Hello everyone. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm so excited today.
Good morning, miss.
All of you, get into the bus quickly. We have reached. Wait, let me count, kids.
Wow, this place is so nice.
Look, the candies on the tree.
Let's go, kids, inside the Colorland.
I am enjoying.
I feel like flying in the sky.
I don't want to go back home. I do want to stay here. It's really nice.
Let's move forward. Now we will see the main part of Colorland. You will find something new. Hi kids, we will tell you about colors.
First, red. R-E-D, red. Next, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange.
Next color is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Now green. G-R-E-E-N, green.
Next is blue. B-L-U-E, blue. It's purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple.
It's brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown.
Next is pink. P-I-N-K, pink.
White. W-H-I-T-E, white.
And the last color is black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And it's over.
We will revise the colors again. Red, orange, yellow. Now next 4 colors. Green, blue, purple, brown. And the last 3 colors. Any guess? Pink, white and black.
The park timing is over. It's getting close. Let's go, kids.
It was fun.
Everything was so colorful there.
Now I will change design of my room. I will also change.
Kids, there is an important announcement. Tomorrow is a holiday. Enjoy!
Oh, thank you so much, miss. Hooray! Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Next video on 15th January. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.